Hello everyone, this is Mai from Mai Ed and Mai WanderFree Retirees. Guess what I got? This is papaya. And if you don't know me, I love fruit. When I go into anywhere, I try to find some exotic fruit. This one is not really exotic, but I thought I will show you guys. Some people might know it, some might not know it. So when this papaya, when they're green, they peel the skin, they chop it, and they make it into a papaya salad. But when you don't pick it up when they're green, you wait until they're ripe in the tree. And then the skin, it will be yellow like this. And then what you do, and then you can eat like this too if you don't want if you wait until they're ripe, then you can eat. They will be sweet. But when they first grow, they're still green, you use that to make as papaya salad. But since they are ripened, they should, when you cut it in half, they would look like this. This one's pretty, not have much seed, but normally they will have a lot of seed in here. So you scoop the seed out, and then you peel the skin. Take the skin out. And like I said, I'm gonna scoop the seed out. And when the seed, or when the papaya, they're so ripe like this, if you want to plant, you can save the seed and plant it if you in some zone where you can plant tropical fruit. So I cut it, and they should be sweet. It's really sweet. Some people say this one tastes kind of like mango, but they have a little bit different flavor too, a little bit different texture. So I don't really think that tastes like mango. But when you see something in the Asian store, if you want to try it and you're kind of curious, buy it, one that it's so yellow, and then try it, see if you like it. Instead of just having a papaya salad, try when they're ripe. They might have a different flavor, different taste to it that you might like. And try something new. See if you like it. Thanks for watching Ed and Mai WanderFree Retiree, and please subscribe and like. Thank you.